There it is, gate B42.
Let's go, sweetie.
Wow, I can't wait!
Good morning. Passports, please. Here are your boarding passes. Have a wonderful flight.
Whoa, look at that awesome airplane!
We have to go, buddy.
Our gate is just over here.
This is the boarding announcement for flight 402.
Here are our passes.
Look at the size of that plane!
Welcome aboard.
Wow, look at the houses!
We are flying, sweetheart. Look at the clouds.
Here is our luggage! Vacation, here we come!